Before buying a smartwatch with Google Assistant, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's about finding the right blend of functionality and style without breaking the bank.
Product number 1, Amazfit Bip 6. The Amazfit Bip 6 is a solid choice that immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and amazing price of just $76.99. If you want a smartwatch that combines style and functionality without costing a fortune, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Bip 6 boasts a vibrant 1.97-inch AMOLED display, which means you can easily read your notifications even in bright sunlight. With 140+ workout modes, it's perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want personalized coaching. Plus, its 14-day battery life means you can go longer between charges, which is a huge convenience. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced smartwatch apps. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly looking for fitness tracking and essential notifications, this isn't a deal breaker. It focuses on what many users actually need. This is perfect for you if you're a fitness buff looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch. Skip this one if you want a device loaded with apps or advanced features that go beyond fitness tracking. Now, if the Bip 6's limited app options bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, AEAC Smartwatch for Women. The AEAC Smartwatch for Women surprised me with its pricing at just $49.99. Right away, the clear AMOLED display and sleek design stood out. If you want a smartwatch that balances style and health tracking, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes clear call quality and an AI assistant, which means you can answer calls hands-free while you're on the go. Plus, it tracks your heart rate, sleep, and oxygen levels, providing valuable insights into your health. The 110+ sports modes cater to diverse activities, which is great for anyone wanting to mix up their workouts. Now, some users mentioned that the battery life could be better. I'll be real with you. While it offers up to 10 days, heavy use may require more frequent charging. But for casual users, this isn't a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable smartwatch with solid health features. Skip this one if you need a longer battery life or are not a fan of smaller screens. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger display.
Product number 3, Quicken Smartwatch. Next up is the Quicken Smartwatch, priced at just $39.98, which is really budget-friendly. The 1.85-inch AMOLED display caught my attention for its size and clarity. If you want a no-frills smartwatch that still covers all the essentials, this model is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports both Android and iPhone, which is rare at this price. The built-in voice assistants like Google and Alexa allow for easy voice commands, making your life simpler. Plus, with 120 sports modes and 12-day battery life, you're set for anything from running to swimming. Now, some reviews pointed out that the watch can feel bulky on smaller wrists. Here's the thing. If you have smaller wrists, you might want to try it on first. For most users, however, the features outweigh this concern. This is perfect for you if you want a spacious display and a variety of sports tracking. Skip this one if you're looking for something more stylish or compact. Now, if the size of the Quicken didn't appeal to you, the next option might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 4, Pixel Watch 3. The Pixel Watch 3, priced at $248.50, is where things start to get serious. This smartwatch is impressive right out of the box, with a sleek matte black design. If you want a blend of high-end features and Google Assistant integration, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers advanced fitness features like heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking, plus it's designed to be user-friendly with its larger display. The 24-hour battery life might not seem great, but it's optimized for daily use, making it easy to charge overnight. Now, some people mentioned that the battery could drain quickly with heavy use. Here's the thing. If you're using all the features daily, you might want to charge it more frequently. But for those who use it casually, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a premium smartwatch experience with fitness capabilities. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest a bit more for advanced features. Now, if the pricing of the Pixel Watch 3 is a concern, the next one might be a better value.
Product number 5, Pixel Watch 4. Last but not least, we have the Pixel Watch 4, retailing at $389.99. It's clearly the top tier option on this list. If you want the best of the best with cutting-edge technology, you definitely need to check this out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has dual frequency GPS for precise tracking, which is fantastic for serious runners and outdoor enthusiasts. The Gemini AI assistant enhances your experience by responding to queries promptly, and you get 40 hours of battery life, a game changer compared to other models. Now, some users felt the price was steep compared to other options, but I'll be honest, if you're serious about health tracking and want a smartwatch that does it all, this investment is justifiable. This is perfect for you if you're an active individual who wants the latest features. Skip this one if you're just looking for basic functionality or want to save some cash. To wrap things up, we've covered a range from budget-friendly options like the Amazfit Bip 6 and AEAC smartwatch to premium choices like the Pixel Watch 3 and 4. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you prioritize in a smartwatch.
In summary, the Amazfit Bip 6 offers great value. The AEAC is perfect for fitness enthusiasts on a budget. The Quickan is versatile with a larger display. The Pixel Watch 3 brings premium features, and the Pixel Watch 4 is top of the line. Ultimately, it's about finding the right balance for your lifestyle and needs. Happy smartwatch shopping!